Hello everyone, welcome to part 26 of reactjs tutorial with Laravel for beginners. And in this video, we are going to create the get API for listing category products. In the last video, we able to see that we have able to create, we are able to show the section as well as the categories. You can see the sections: clothing, electronics, and appliances. And under those sections we have the categories, like the under clothing are having the men, women, and kids. Under electronics we are having the mobiles, and under appliances we are having the refrigerators. Okay, so once the user will click on this men, then the all the men products must come here. So for this one we need to create the listing API in which we are going to show the products of some particular category. Okay, so also we are going to show the subcategories as well. Okay, so let's start working on this one. So for the get API we need to work on Laravel once again. We know that we are building the APIs in our Laravel website. Okay, multi-vendor e-commerce website. Okay, we are going to follow the same thing like clothing. Under clothing, this is the man. Under man, you can see the products are coming here. So the same thing we are going to do. Like if the user will click on man, here we are going to display all the products. Okay, one by one we are going to display in the format of app. Okay, so let's open the api.php. Here like we are having the categories menu. Now we are going to make the listing menu. Okay, listing products API, so listing products API. And here we are going to create the get route once again, and we are going to name this API like listing. And here the URL, we are going to add it like this. That will come URL. Okay, and API controller listing. So we are using here the URL as parameter. Okay, so here any URL will come, like the man will come or woman will come or some other the category URL that we are adding for every category from the admin panel, if you know. Okay, see, like the man is having the man URL, and if you will open some other category like t-shirt is having this URL. That all we are adding from the admin panel. I'm going to open the admin panel as well to show you that how we are managing these. See, under catalog you can see the sections. Okay, and these are the categories, and you can go inside any of the category, and you can see that we always used to set the URL here, category URL. Okay, that will come here like slash, like here. Okay, so this is the URL. So here see, this one is coming as URL. Okay, and API controller at the rate of listing. So we are going to open the API controller to add the listing function. So after menu we are going to add here the listing function, public function listing. Okay, so we are going to copy the same function that we have in the products controller. If you remember that we have created the listing function in the for our website as well. Okay, in which we have used the ajax. We are displaying the products via ajax. Okay, and but here we are not going to display the products via ajax, but the code, much of the code will remain the same. Okay, so here what we are going to do, first we are going to check the category count, and here we also require to pass the URL. Okay, so from this URL we are going to check first of all that this URL is valid or not. Okay, and then we will move forward with our next step. Okay, see, first thing is we will validate that this URL is correct or not. So this is possible with the help of the category count. Okay, so we are going to check this one like this, category count. So from this we are going to check that this if the category count is greater than 0, then it's fine. Otherwise we will show the error message to the user. Here you can see that we are showing the error message. We are sending the user to the 404 page, but here we are not going to do it like this. We need to return the error message. Okay, so here I'm going to show you like this one, else. Okay, so if the category count is greater than 0, then it's fine. Otherwise we are going to display the error message to the user. So here we are going to give the message like dollar message category URL is incorrect. Okay, return response. Okay, listen. Okay, so status, here we are going to send the status as false. In case the URL is invalid, and also the message, send the message like dollar message. Okay, and we are going to return the 422, that is the error code if for the error message. Okay, so now see, if we are going to run, I'm going to run this API. Okay, so I'm going to check this API. We are going to debug side by side. So this earlier API I'm going to save, and going to create the new API now, HTTP request. And this time the API link is like earlier, the API link is this one. This time the API link is the listing, and after that I'm going to pick one of the URL, like we can pick the man. Okay, first one is the man. I'm going to pick the man here. Okay, so like for men it will nothing, it will show API category not found. Okay, so it is asking us to add the category model here. Okay, so we're going to add the category model as well. And okay, so here I am going to add uh, category list. Category list will come here, and we're going to show once again here, click on send category list. Fine. Okay, so uh, now if we will add some wrong URL, okay, then see false category URL is incorrect, and 422 error message unprocessable content. Okay, so it is clearly showing the error message that this URL is invalid. Okay, so now we are going to put the valid, and now we are going to fetch the products. Okay, of this URL. So like we are doing here, we are going to copy the same code uh, from here to the bottom, but here the difference is we are not going to return like this. We are going to return with JSON. Okay, so I'm going to remove this one, and we'll paste here, and here instead of paginate it will come the get, and this one we are going to show all the products here. Okay, and after this one we are going to return response JSON, response JSON, okay, products dollar category products 200. Okay, so here now we are going to check the same API. I'm going to check here this one. I'm going to click on send, and here so we need to add the product model as well. Okay, so we are going to add the product model here as well. After category we are going to add the product model as well. Now we are going to try once again. We are going to fetch with this postman API, and and this time it is asking to add the product filter as well. Okay, so this is also required. We need to add this model as well. Now we will run once again, and now this time the AC will be able to fetch all the products. Here you can see the array of products is coming, and all the men products will come. Red casual t-shirt that belongs to men. Okay, see arrow casual t-shirt that belongs to men. Okay, no top is there, no woman product is there, no child product is there. Okay, so all the products are related to the men. We able to fetch all the products here. Okay, so here a few things we are going to do with this API, like we are going to fetch the final price here as well. That will save the time when we will work on the React app, and also we are going to add the full path with the image. Okay, we are going to show the image there, but we are going to add the full path here, because there we will just simply see call from the we will simply call the data from the API to show on the React app. Okay, that will help us to save time there. uh, so few things we are going to do here. uh, so I will add the for each loop here. After getting the products here, I will add the for each loop, so that some of the data I can able to correct. Okay, so like in category products, and so first thing is I am going to get the final price of the product, like if the price is coming after discount, that I can show there. Okay, I can show there this good the final price, or we can show the two prices. See, choice is yours. Like we are showing the two prices here, like the cut. Okay, or you can simply show the final price there, rupees 1800. Okay, like this. So what we're going to do, we are going to open here the listing of the products, just product listing, and here we are going to see what we have done. Here, get discounted price, this one I'm going to copy this one, and we'll paste it here. Okay, and here we are going to get this product ID. Okay, so that we are going to get from here. We are going to mention it like category products. After that, dollar key, and then ID. Okay, this is the product ID. Okay, uh, so after that, the condition that we're going to check, like if get discount price is greater than 0. In this case, uh, what we are going to have the new variable, that is the final price variable. We are going to add here final price. See, if in case is greater than 0, that discount is greater than 0, then we are going to display the final price along with the rupee symbol. We are going to add here. Okay, so after this, we're going to add here get discounted price. This one we're going to have, this one is the discounted price. Okay, else if there is no discount, then we're going to show the actual price of the product. Okay, and here we are going to have that actual price. Again, once again, I'm going to get this one, that is the product underscore price. Okay, our variable in the products table, product underscore price. I think it will be fine. Okay, and along with that, one more thing, that we are going to add the path to our image. Okay, to our product image, we are going to add the complete path of the image here, and after that we are going to simply okay, so here the path, we're going to add it like this URL. Okay, and after that we're going to add the path front images, then product underscore images, then small, we're going to show the small image, and after that mm, what come here, that image, this image, okay, like this. I think it will work fine. Okay, these two things we are supposed to do, and now see, it will make the changes. Sorry, not here, but in our listing API, where it is, here it is. Okay, so we are going to check here, and to see the change here, you can see it is coming here. And if I'm going to copy this one, complete product image path is correct, that we're going to show on our React app. So now it is displaying, yeah, it is fine. Okay, and also it is showing the final price. See, yeah, see, yes, it is showing the final price, and also rupees in front of the final price. Okay, so now in the next video we are going to display the products on our React app after clicking on the links. Okay, if we are going to click on this man, woman, or kids link, it is going to show the products. Okay, so that thing we are going to do in our next video, so stay tuned for that. That's all for now. Have a nice time. Goodbye.